Hello friends, welcome to our Your Awesome channel. And today we are going to share important lessons which we can learn from the book called The Richest Man in Babylon. This is very short and a simple book to read. After reading this book, you will gain knowledge about how you should manage your wealth. This book is written by Mr. George Samuel Clason. This book is a perfect guide to understand finances and a powerhouse of time-tested principles to gain and retain personal wealth. Over the years, this book has been translated in many languages. So, if you want to learn some of the secrets of the richest man in Babylon, then listen and watch carefully till the end. And remember to apply them in real life. Once you will start to apply the concepts, you will notice changes in your wealth. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment or share this video. This book shares the 7 secrets of the richest man in Babylon, and these secrets are: first point, start your purse to fattening. Second point, control your expenditures. Third point, make your goal multiply. Fourth point, guard your treasures from loss. Fifth point, make of your dwelling a profitable investment. 6th point, ensure a future income. 7th point, increase your ability to earn. Now, let's go back to the time to understand how these principles came to exist. Babylon was a civilization which is considered as one of the most prosperous, glamorous, and famous cities of its time. It is believed that many individuals became rich by their own efforts and the ability to manage wealth, or we can say ability to manage gold, which was the currency at that time. And it is believed their principles and techniques are still used in the modern world to govern and control the wealth. They were also considered as one of the best engineers, astronomers, mathematicians, financiers of their time. In the beginning of this book, we see the story of 2 friends, that is, Insure and Kobe, one who is chariot maker and another who is musician. And they have spent their whole life just working and working. Yet they realize they don't have enough money to support their family. Neither they have any saving or any investments to tell. Then they realize that they have one friend whose name is Arkad, who is considered and known as the richest man in Babylon. So they decided to meet their friend Arkad and wanted to know his secrets related to wealth accumulations. Friends, is this not the current situation of many of us? Some of us might have gone through this situation. So, through the help of this book, we are going to learn the secrets of becoming wealthy. We should always try to become wealthy, not rich. As for the book, one day they meet their friend Arkad. According to Arkad, he was also like them and used to work day and night with no results. Then, one day, Arkad, due to his work, came in contact with a person called Algamis, who was a big money lender, a super rich, and Arkad requested him to share the secret of creating wealth. So, Algamis shared his first secret and said, "A part of all I earned was mine to keep, and more specifically, keep 10% of all whatever you earn in a month. For example, suppose you earn rupees 25,000 per month, then keep rupees 2,500 every month for yourself and don't use them until some urgent need arrives. So, within 12 months' time, you will have rupees 30,000 as savings. So, learn to pay yourself first, and even when your income increases, still follow this habit." The second secret he learned from Algamis is, take advice from those who have experience and expertise in that matter. For example, don't ask for advice to invest in stock market from a doctor, unless that doctor is a part-time investor and earn a lot of money investing. Remember, advice is one thing that is freely given away, but take only what is worth having. The third advice Algamis gave is related to take the advantage of compounding returns, which means learn to invest well and earn more income from them. Later, Algamis asked Arkad to take care of some of his holdings, and when Alchemist died, before that he arranged to give some of his wealth to Arkad under the law. During this conversation, they come to know that the desire to prosper and acquire wealth in life plays a big role. Now, let's understand the 7 secrets of the richest man in Babylon as part of the book. First point, start your purse to fattening. For this, Arkad advised that one should learn to use only 90% of all what he or she earns and save 10% every time. And in this way, over time, our purse will start to fatten. But in today's time, try to save more if possible for better future. The second point, control your expenditures. When we start earning money, we start to purchase many things. In this process, we waste lots of money. So, the second rule says we should learn to control our expenses. In this way, we can have more money in hand to use in better ways. Here, we need to understand the difference between the desire and real needs. For example, you may desire to own a Mercedes, but what you really need is Tata Nexon XM. The third point, make your gold multiply. Here, we are using the gold as example because during Babylon era, gold was a standard currency. Nowadays, we use money as currency. So, this rule says we must do something that our gold multiplies. And for this, we might need to do intelligent investments. And this investment should give more returns and again invest and multiply your gold. And in today's time, invest money and multiply them. The fourth point, guard your treasures from loss. As per this rule, you must guard your gold from losing. Protect them at any cost. Take the help of wise men and use their advice. Ensure you take advice from experienced people and also ensure you're investing in the safe ventures. The fifth point, make your dwelling a profitable investment. It is advised by the Arkad that we must own our own home. It has many advantages. That homes should also be used as a rental property. And in this way, we can stay and earn future income also. The sixth point, ensure a future income. As per Arkad's sixth advice, it is very important that we should ensure our future income, which will be going to help us during our old age. For this purpose, we can purchase land. But in today's time, it's not easy to purchase land, as cost of land is increasing day by day. So, we can invest in shares, gold, or in digital properties like e-commerce, blogs, courses, etc. But it's up to you to think and decide. The seventh point, increase your ability to earn. Many times in our life, we need some extra money, but it's not possible to get that extra money every time. We go and meet our boss and ask them to raise our salary, but instead of raising salary, boss will say blah blah blah. So if you really want to increase your income, then don't ask for the raise, but increase your own ability to earn more. To do this, you can join online courses and learn new things which has more demand on the market. Start your own blogs, YouTube channels, e-commerce websites, etc. It may take some time, but if you work hard, it will start giving results to you within a year. Now, let's understand one important lesson from this book. To achieve this, first, you need to have a burning desire to learn how to generate wealth and implement those learning. It is said, the more wisdom and knowledge we have, the more we may earn. So, seek to learn more those skills which can help you to earn more. Hope you have liked today's video and understood the topic well. If you have any question related to the topic, you can comment below. Thanks for your support and love, and always remember you're awesome.